Video, I give you my 3 best practices for explaining why your dealership has adjusted or increased your new vehicle inventory prices above the original MSRP. And I've received a tremendous amount of feedback on this subject everybody wants to know more about. We're all facing this new objection as we go into 2022. So number 1, thank you for the feedback. Secondly, I had a general manager at a luxury dealership reach out to me to tell me how he loved the word track explanation, and especially how the wording fits so well with his clientele's demographic. Well, that got me thinking how, being a former Chevrolet dealership employee for over 20 years, how my original word track explanation maybe should be simplified a little for different demographics. That got my wheels turning, so I came up with a shorter word track explanation as to why your dealerships decided to adjust their new vehicle prices to reflect more of a true value with supply and demand. Alright then, here's my simplified world-class version of this recent objection that we've all been facing here lately as we go into 2022. Bill, as you're aware, there's been an extreme supply chain issue that's been affecting the entire country, heck, really the world right now. And you know what, this makes our business particularly difficult because, let's face it, for years and years, supply of inventory has been plentiful, and you're used to us telling you that, hey, if we don't have it in stock, we'll just locate one for you. And of course, when there's lots and lots of supply, that means that you can almost always get a good deal, right? Well, now with supply just really down to almost nothing, and because of this crazy supply chain demand and this change, we've had to change our pricing model. So with all this going on, let me ask you, is it a ridiculous idea for us to change our prices to meet and kind of reflect the new supply and demand? Now, if they've got a trade, you could add, hey, the good news is that you're going to see an increased value for your car, which will cancel out any increased market adjustments on the new car, virtually taking you back to pre-pandemic days. So it's really going to kind of be the same. Well, there you have it. A simplified, world-class, straightforward, yet empathetic response as to why you've changed your pricing model and you've adjusted your MSRPs and in some cases are charging more than the original. Until next time, please keep following that Kaizen philosophy, which is small incremental improvements towards growth every single day, and eventually they're all going to add up to great things.